We Love Facts presents Weirdest Military Mysteries Caught on Camera. Glowing Spiral. In December of 2009, Norway awoke in the early morning to a bizarre hovering glowing spiral photographed here by Jan Peter Jorgensen. The spiral then got bigger and bigger until it turned into a huge halo in the sky with the blue beam extending down to Earth. Hundreds of calls flooded the Norwegian Meteorological Institute as residents wanted to know what they were seeing. UFO enthusiasts immediately began speculating whether the aerial light could be evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence or a wormhole. The Russian Ministry of Defense suggested an explanation, stating that a Bulava missile test had failed. The missile's first two stages worked as normal, but there was a technical malfunction at the last stage of the trajectory. A Russian defense analyst stated that such lights and clouds appear from time to time when a missile fails in the upper layers of the atmosphere. Mystery aircraft over Wichita. In the skies above the U.S., there have been multiple reports of what are referred to as flying wing aircraft traveling overhead. This photo, taken by photographer Jeff Templin, shows a triangular twin-engine aircraft. His report of the sighting states that the aircraft was executing S-turns high overhead with no sound coming from the aircraft at all. None of these images seem to match up to anything anyone has seen before. The aviationists think that this could be a new secret stealth aircraft being tested by the U.S. military. Some believe it could be a stealth drone or, more likely, a prototype of the American next generation of long-range bomber. Stockholm Archipelago. In 2014, the Swedish Army released a grainy photo of a mysterious vessel in Stockholm's archipelago as it scoured its waters in the biggest such operation since the Cold War. Sweden undertook an intense one-week search looking for possible foreign underwater activity. During the operation, the Swedish Navy used over 200 troops, helicopters, stealth ships, and minesweepers to search the waters of the Baltic Sea. Swedish armed forces have confirmed that a foreign submarine entered its waters. However, the military failed to determine which country the intruding vessel came from. Searchers also released this sonar evidence of subsea tracks left by a mini submarine. The witness who took the photograph said the vessel was moving at a speed of approximately 1 knot and then submerged. Mysterious stripes. In 2011, new photos have appeared in Google Maps showing unidentified Titanic structures in the middle of the Chinese desert. Located north of the Shule River, the remote area is perfect for military training. The first one is an intricate network of what appears to be huge metallic stripes. They seem to be wide lines drawn with some white material, covering an area approximately 1 mile long by more than 3,000 feet wide. The tracks are perfectly executed, and they seem to be designed to be seen from orbit. Some people believe it's kind of calibrating grid for Chinese spy satellites. Also found nearby were a neat targeting grid of burnt-out vehicles and a massive antenna array similar to the U.S.'s HARP program. Iranian replica. In 2013, satellite images appeared to show that Iran was undertaking a strange task, creating a non-functional, full-size replica of an American Nimitz-class nuclear-powered aircraft carrier. American officials described the mock-up as being closer to an empty hull than an actual warship, but its true purpose was a mystery. At first, Iran claimed that the mock-up was built for a movie purpose. However, during military drills in 2015, Iranian media claimed that the aircraft carrier had been destroyed. The spectacular display of firepower took place in a waterway that plays a strategic as well as a psychological role in world politics and energy markets. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and leave us a comment below. To stay up to date with the most amazing videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned. A new video is coming out soon.